In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your pay.com.au payroll payments in Xero. If you've been wondering how to streamline this process, you're in the right place. The task might seem daunting at first, but I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to effectively reconcile your payroll payments. Let's start by logging into your Xero account. Open your web browser and go to the Xero login page. Once there, you'll need to enter your email and password, then click on the login button. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Keep in mind that this is all done after you have sent the payroll payment on pay.com.au. Now, from the dashboard, navigate to your bank account section. By clicking on this, you'll be taken to the account transactions page. Here you have the option to reconcile transactions individually, which is highly beneficial if you need to manage each entry separately. Alternatively, you can opt for cash coding by clicking on the cash coding option. This approach can speed up the process significantly. The next step involves selecting the specific transaction you want to reconcile. You can do this quickly by ticking the checkboxes beside the transactions. Once you've selected your transactions, choose the account labeled 804 Wages Payable Payroll. By doing this, the account information and tax rate will auto-populate, making it easier and quicker to manage your entries. After you have made your selections, click on Save and Reconcile Selected. This step is crucial as it will finalize your reconciliations. A prompt will ask you to confirm your actions, so click OK to proceed. Now let's talk about managing the bills related to any processing fees for your payroll payments. Navigate back to the main menu, click on Business, BTE, and then select Bills to Pay. From here, click on New Bill to create a new entry. This is where you will enter the details regarding your processing fees. Make sure to input the contact information from pay.com.au and set a due date for the bill. As you fill out the form, include a description, quantity, and price for transparency and accuracy. For the account code, select 804 Wages Payable Payroll. This ensures consistency across your accounting records. Additionally, be sure to choose GST on expenses as your tax rate to properly account for tax implications. Once you have double-checked all the details, click on Approve to finish the process. This final step will save your bill in Xero, keeping your records up to date and accurate. And there you have it, your pay.com.au payroll payments are seamlessly reconciled in Xero. With these steps mastered, you should find this process straightforward and manageable. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your accounting needs.